What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be spraying fluid film on the underside of my truck. If you don't know what fluid film is, I've been putting this on every year. This is the first time I'm filming it because I had it done for me the past couple years, but I bought a set of fluid film. It pretty much stops rust in its tracks, and it's wintertime now and we should be getting a snow tomorrow, so I just want to get this on. I'm doing a little late this season, but still good to get it on. So fluid film pretty much is a lubricant that goes onto your frame or any metal that you have on your truck, and it penetrates the metal and stops water from getting in it, which ultimately stops rust. If you have some rust already on the metal, it basically stops it in its tracks and does not let it get any worse. So I recommend doing this. I'm gonna show you guys what I do, where I put it, and how it comes out. This stuff is actually pretty cool. It was invented in 1943 to actually stop naval ships from rusting during World War II. It's pretty awesome and it's proven to work. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to put it on and we'll go from there. Okay, so a big reason that fluid film is perfect for me is I drive on the beach. Obviously there's salt water there, which is very good at causing rust. I don't go through any water, but it's just in the air and sand gets literally everywhere. And also I spend most of my winter up at school in upstate New York, where there's a lot of snow, obviously. So this is what my frame looks like currently. You can see all sand is covering it, mainly because of the last round of fluid film. It sticks to it, but couple off-road adventures, the fluid film allows stuff to stick to it while not letting it penetrate it. First, I'm going to take an old towel and try to get all the sand off, just so the fluid film sticks on better. Yeah, I'm just getting as much sand and dirt off as I can. Okay, fluid film, here it is. Rust and corrosion protection, protects all metals. All right, so I read online that it's good to keep it in some warm water first, and then I'll get back to it in about 5 minutes and shake it up and have a go. It's time to get going. I'm gonna try without the straw at first. I don't really know how it shoots different. The pack that I got is 3 cans of fluid film, which looks right now like it's going to be the perfect amount. My link for the fluid film will be in the description. I'm not paid to say this, but this stuff I've been using for 3 years is absolutely amazing and has been keeping me from getting rusty all this time. Okay, I just finished. I ended up using 2 cans of fluid film and really happy with how it turned out. It sprayed well, and I'll show you guys how it's looking right now. Up close, you could clearly see it created a film and penetrated the metal, so water cannot get in. It'll just kind of bead off, and that prevents rust. Pretty much creates like a yellowish film, which comes off. I really tried to get pretty much every moving part, including the shocks, Obviously the leaf springs. Don't spray it on the exhaust because it'll get hot and burn off. If you get a little on, it's all right. I'm gonna wipe this off before I drive it, but the rest of it will just burn off. You can clearly see how it went on perfectly. I went everywhere in the shocks and everything. Since it's lubricating everything, if you have a squeak in your shocks, this will also get rid of them, most likely. But yeah, now I'd say I'm pretty much ready for the snow tomorrow, and I'm ready for a good winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you found this informative.